In this video, I show you how to fix cannot install Messenger. Try again, and if it still does not work, see common way to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, then click on your profile icon. Now click on Settings, then click on Network Preference. Click on it. Click on App Download Preference over any network. Click on OK. Now click on Auto Updates. Click on Update over Wi-Fi only. Now go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Now search for Play Store. Click on Google Play Store. Click on Force Stop. Click on OK. Now click on Storage and Cache. Clear Cache and clear storage. Then delete. Now search for Play Service. Click on Google Play Service. Click on Storage and Cache. Clear Cache. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Play Store app. Click on Get Started. Use biometrics. Now search for Messenger. Now click on Install. Now I hope that this method fix cannot install Messenger. Try again, and if it still does not work problem, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.